Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please do subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed already. Today we'll be learning how to delete a Snapchat account. To do so, go to your Snapchat application. On the top left corner, you can see your avatar or profile icon. Tap on it and then it takes you to this screen. Tap on the settings icon that is on the top right corner. Then scroll the page to the bottom and then you can see delete account option on the third last option. Tap on delete account option and then it asks you to log in again. Get logged in to your account. You'll see delete account written in big letters. There again you have to enter your username and password and then you'll see account deactivated. That is all. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below, and also like the video if the video helped you, and do subscribe for similar contents.